Warm evening to the IP students. This is Devdeep sir, back with another lesson of data handling. And basically we are today going to discuss the question related to data handling, which is the programming portion of Python fundamentals. So we are going to discuss some questions today, not all, starting with question number 6. Okay, what will be the output of the following code? Now to understand the question, we need to first know that what were the inputs given. So we had two inputs, firstly 9 followed by that of 2. So first we have to make a table and you have to write down the inputs separately, and then which operator we have used, any guesses? This, as per the question given, this is float division operator, which removes the decimal point. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 4. Okay. Now we have to identify the different data types here. So 4, 5, 2, which type of data type it is? List. 2, 3, 4, 5, dictionary, which is a collection of value. Tuple, basically list, dictionary and tuple are same, but if you have first bracket, that becomes tuple, second bracket we have dictionary, third bracket then it is a list. For the time being you have to understand in this way. The next number is invalid because it's starting with second bracket ending with first bracket, so it's not at all data type. 4 is integer, 5.2 is float or decimal data type, 8j this is complex number data type or just complex, 1 is integer, and if the same one is enclosed in quotation it becomes a string, and 4 plus 0j that becomes again a complex number data type. So similarly question number 10 is same as that of the number 6, will directly come here. See question number 11, print 8 into 2 minus 2 into 4. So I explained to you about operator precedence in Python. Normal execution occurs from left to right. So 8 2s are 16, starting from the left side, minus 2 4s are 8, 16 minus 8 is 8. But if we have power operator like the double asterisk, the execution will occur from right to left. So here see 3 double star 2, 9. Okay, so 9 square plus 1 becomes 10, 10 minus, okay, that is 3 plus 2, so technically it becomes minus 5 or 5, both are correct. Okay, so these are the questions, and the third one will be homework for you all, so please note down this. Okay, note down the answers in your copy, take screenshot and do it in and practice this. Okay, this type of question will come for 2 to 4 marks. Okay, it will also come for MCQ also. Alright, so with this we come to an end of today's class. Please practice this question. Thank you.